much. Alec, how you doing?
Good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
Oh, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh. I had to get into that phenomena to understand what's going on. What is the infatuation with art? And when I got into art, I understand things like vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle.
Did you eat him?
No, but I might, and maybe I'll eat you.
You know who's gonna be the guest? You know,
Right.
Bob Saget. I was like, oh my god, no way. You know, I was like freaking out.
Isn't that Wiggly?
Yes.
So what do you?
But you go fuck yourself, man. Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man. You look great, man. You look great. How's everything going? You good?
Yeah, you know, I'm okay. I'm all right here.
Bitch.
Biatch. Cocoa butter. I'm gonna say cocoa butter with a nice mix.
I find them too mushu. You right up? Anyway, I want to get all the way to
Boy, killing it for you, boy.